let me show you how to work a single crochet decrease. The pattern will say SCDEC, short for single crochet decrease. And if we want to decrease one stitch here, we're going to work over the next 2 stitches. So we will insert the hook in the next stitch, make a yarn over and pull up a loop. Then go into the next stitch with your hook, yarn over and bring up a loop. You now have 3 loops on your hook, and you'll yarn over and go through all 3 loops at once. So now you can see how we work the 2 stitches into 1 stitch. You can also decrease over more stitches than 2, so we can do a single crochet decrease in each of these next 3 stitches. So same method, we insert the hook in the first stitch and bring up a loop. Then we'll insert the hook in the next stitch and bring up a loop. And then also in the following stitch and bring up a loop. Now we have 4 loops on our hook, and we'll yarn over and go through all 4 loops. So this is how you work a single crochet decrease.